So we're going to look at a reading strategy called Flip the Sound. This is a strategy that can help you be more accurate with your reading, and it can help you read more words correctly. So let's take a look at how it works. So we're going to use letter sounds. So we're using your knowledge of your letter sounds. You'll try out or flip the different sounds a letter can make, and then you're going to think which sounds right and makes most sense. So let's try a few examples. What about the sentence? I put butter on the bread. I bread. And it's going to make more sense if you say you put a butter on the bread. Let's try another one. My dad told me to something dinner. So let's have a look. Cook. So my dad told me to cook dinner. Here's another one. I want to see the show. I want to see the show. That makes sense. Look at this one here. The giraffe. There's a long neck. Okay, so let's go back to that word. Giraffe. Giraffe. And I know that the giraffes have long necks. So the giraffe has a long neck. You try this one. Look at the sentence. She ate a bowl of hot. Okay, you see if you can work it out. Okay, did you try out the sounds for the green word? Soup. Of course, it should say she ate a bowl of hot soup. Okay, let's try one more. This one's got two green words in it. I need a let's go back. I need a bowl of thread. I need a spool of thread. How about thread? I need a spool of thread. That makes sense. So of course you can use the strategy of any books that you're reading when you don't know the words. So for example, here's a story here, Yesterday. We can take a look at a few of the pages together and using the flip a sound strategy. Okay, so let's have a look here. Just wait, you'll see what I mean. Oh, no, that doesn't make sense. So I know I need to go and check it. Just watch, just watch. You'll see what I mean. Ah, yes, that makes sense. Just watch, you'll see what I mean. Let's flip the sound on this page. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Oh, for breakfast. That makes sense as well. Oh, there he is having breakfast with his pizza. Let's try this one more page. Can I use your hair gel? Gel. Can I use your hair gel? Yes, that makes sense. So you see you can make, you can flip the sounds and you can make different sounds with that word until you can hear the one that makes right. So many words don't follow the rules, and sometimes this is the best strategy of all, to flip the sound. So try flipping the sound with the words that you don't know when you're reading.